dikungkakan yang belum ini dari barat dalam nama Telekom.
Cuman आज का समंदर पर एक व्यवसाय एक बिगुलदार छह जो अनुमति के लिए चाहिए cuman अनुमति के समंदर bakal सच समंदर lancar
The Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri Shafir Rajvi, accompanied by Shri Lino Bronze-In, MLA, Chairman of the Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board, Government of Meghalaya. Program. And gentlemen, we welcome one and all to the latest function. May I invite the ushers to come. Our next felicitation will be to a guest of honor, Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya. State Health Advisory Board, Government of Meghalaya. And to continue with the felicitation, we are very now felicitate Shri B.C.M., the Chief Engineer. Thank you very much, sir.
Through the dedication of Dr. Didelapang, former Chief Minister, to step in a good football ground, but sorry to apprise to you, sir, the amount of 1 crore 75 lakh, it disappeared after starting the work to be started here. We don't know where that amount has gone. We got only the stones and the mud already collected here. So we hope, sir, this time with your dynamic leader, with your broad-minded to serve the people of Meghalaya, and particular in Nongpoh Town, River District, we hope this project to be laid the foundation stone. It will work as soon as possible and to serve the people of the district in particular and the state in general. So, sir, I would like to apprise few words regarding the project here in Umbuda. It comes from the IHSBP, SDP, Integrated Housing for Urban Poor, yet to complete, for the people of Nongpoh Town to give a BPL house for them. So we hope this project also will go on. Tengambon subaging teman kerenang le